Good morning, students. Lesson number 2, polynomials exercise 2.4 remaining part. Okay, remaining part means this is factorization, only factorization first sum I explained in the previous video. Now, factorization, listen here, 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So, method same, 2 into 3, product you want to get 6 and sum you want to get 7. Okay, such a way numbers which are they? Product 6 you want to get a sum 7, which are they? 6 into 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. So these are your numbers 6 and 1. So split the middle term. This 7 I am going to split 6x plus x, 6x plus 6 x, how much coming? 7x. Clear? So I told you first two terms take and next two terms take common outside. Here maximum common take outside, it is coming 2x. So then what is remaining here? X and here plus sign, here 3. Okay. And here nothing common, no. But the same factor you want to get here also. So nothing common, the meaning is that what you can write 1. So 1 I written here, x plus 3. So now here and here which is common, x plus 3 common, no, take outside. So what is remaining here? 2x and here plus 1. Okay. So you got the factors. So x plus 3 and 2x plus 1 are the factors. Now, in that one, third sum I given as homework. Okay. And move to the fourth sum. See here, 3 last time here minus coming. 3 into minus 4 you want to get minus 12. Product you want to get minus 12. And sum you want to get how much? Minus 1. Which are the numbers? Minus 4 and 3. Minus 4 into 3 how much coming? Minus 12. Product coming here. And minus 4 plus 3 how much coming? Minus 1. Clear? So which are the middle term splitting, which are the terms? The minus 4 and plus 3. See here, I split it here. Minus 4x plus 3x. Minus 4x plus 3x, how much coming? Minus x. Okay. Now two terms take. So here what is common? Maximum common take outside. X common. 3x minus 4 coming. Here just like the previous case, nothing common. So 1 I written. So 3x minus 4. So 3x minus 4 here and here common. So you take it outside. And then what is here remaining? X remaining here. Here plus 1 remaining. So you got the factors. Okay. This is second degree polynomials factorization I explained here. Now the next section coming, third degree polynomial, how to factorize. Listen here. Move to the next page. Factorize. See here, third degree polynomial. Here how many degree? What is the degree of the polynomial? 3 cubic polynomials. So in this way, cubic polynomial coming, what will you see? Last term you see, what is last term coming? 2. So if you can see the factors of 2 are either plus can be possible, plus or minus 1 and plus or minus 2. So by trial method, you verify p of 1 0 coming or p of minus 1 0 coming, p of 2 0 coming or p of minus 2 0 coming. You have to verify in another rough paper. Then which is 0 coming you write here. Any one 0 write. That we will remove. Okay. So p of minus 1 we got as 0. See here. P of minus 1 I am going to find out. Minus 1 the whole cube. Minus 2 into minus 1 the whole square. Minus into minus 1 plus 2. So minus 1 the whole cube how much coming? Minus 1. Here minus 1 the whole square is plus 1 only, plus 1 into minus 2 minus 2. Here 2 minus coming, so plus and 2. Positive numbers added together and negative numbers added together. So how much got? 0. So what you got? P of minus 1 0 got no? P of minus 1 0 getting, then what is which is a factor? X plus 1 is a factor. Okay. X plus 1 is a factor. So what we are going to do? We will remove the factor x plus 1. So that is the method. This method also can do. Another method is there itself splitting the terms. But that is not comfortable for all the students. So this method means it is everybody can learn. So easy method. Okay. So x plus 1 is a factor of p of x. So x plus 1 you remove. So how to remove? By division method, long division method, you x plus 1 remove. So I am going to remove. See here, this polynomial dividing by x plus 1. So how much got? X square. So x square into x cube, x square into plus 1 plus x square, change the sign Okay, here minus and here minus. X cube minus x cube cancelling. Minus 2x minus x square means minus 3x square. One term bring down minus x. Okay. First term by first term, how much coming? Minus 3x. Minus 3x into x minus 3x square. Minus 3x into plus 1 minus 3x. Change the sign. Add them. This term cancelling. Here minus x plus 3x, how much coming? 2x. Next last term bring down. So first term by first term 2. So 2 into x 2x, 2 into 1 2. So here change the sign. All the terms cancelling, you are getting last 0. So you got the factors, which are the x plus 1 is one factor already knowing, and the remaining two factors are there in this polynomial. So now this quotient polynomial you are factorizing, you will get the remaining two factors also. Okay, this is the method, very easy no. So here listen, x square minus 3x plus 2, how factorizing? I didn't written the factors here, now you knowing me. Okay. Find out two numbers, their product is 2 and sum is minus 3. Which are they? Minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1, how much coming? Plus 2. And the sum, splitting the middle sum terms here. Minus 2x minus x, how much coming? Minus 3x. Usual method only, previous I explained several sums. So here take common. And here first term minus came now. So you take minus 1 common here. Minus 1 common taking, I told you, change the sign. That means this will become plus and this will become minus. Okay. So here x minus 2, here also x minus 2. So x minus 2 common take outside. What is remaining here? X and here minus 1. So you got the factors x minus 2 and x minus 1. Clear? And this is the first factor. First factor you found out now that one. So that factor, and here now you got to two factors, that all the three factors together take. If third degree polynomial coming, surely it will have three factors. 1, 2 and 3 factors. Clear? This method is very easy. This method you follow in all the sums. Another method you feel easy you can do. But all the students will feel this method only easy. Okay. Go to the next sum. This is also same type of sum only. Here. The last number 5. It's the factors which are they coming? Either plus or minus 1 coming or plus or minus 5 coming. So I told you by trial method you find out which is a factor. 1 is a factor, minus 1 is a factor, 5 is a factor, you find out. So you got what is P of I 0 got now here. P of I 0 got. Okay. Then this P of I 0 got, the meaning is that x minus 5 is a factor of P of x. So x minus 5 you remove. Just like the previous method. Okay. So, first time by first time what is coming? X square into x cube. Okay. X square into minus 5 minus 5x square. Change the sign, minus and plus. And minus 3x plus 5x square, how much coming? 2x square. Bring the term. So, minus 9x. So, again first time by first term. 2x coming. 2x into x 2x square. 2x into minus 5 minus 10x. Change the sign, minus and here plus. So minus 9x plus 10x, how much coming? X, and bring down this term minus 5. So again first term by first term, how much coming? 1. 1 into x and 1 into minus 5 minus 5. Change the sign and add it. All the terms cancelling now. So very clearly what you understood? X minus 5 is a factor. Okay. So remaining two factors are lying in which polynomial? This polynomial, quotient polynomial. So x square plus 2x plus 1. So we can see down. So x square plus 2x plus 1 factorizing. See here, middle term I splitted. How splitted? X plus x, how much coming? 2x. Okay. First two term take common. Here nothing common, so 1 common taken outside. So here x plus 1. X plus 1 taken common outside from both the terms. Then what is remaining here? X and plus 1. So x plus 1 into x plus 1, x plus 1 the whole square. Okay. So you got the factors now. Which are the factors? X plus 1 the whole square is a factor and x minus 5 is a factor. Clear? So 3 factors got now. So now one more sum I will explain. Next third sum type, and fourth sum I given as homework. Here also method same method. So here what are the factors of 20? Plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 4, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 10 and plus or minus 20. So small numbers take first, that will be easy. By trial method, p of minus 1 you got as 0. In the place of x you apply minus 1 here, all apply. So what you got? 0 got no? The meaning is that p of minus 1 0 got, the meaning is that x plus 1 is a factor. So as usual method, we are going to remove this x plus 1 from the polynomial. Okay. First term by first term, x square into x cube, x square into 1, x square, change the sign and add it, x cube minus x cube cancelling, 13x square minus x square, how much? 12x square, bring down the term. Okay, first term by first term, 12x into x, 12x square, 12x into x, 12x, so change the sign, 12x square cancelling, 32x minus 12x, 20x, and bring down this 20. Okay, first term by first term, how much? 20. So 20 into x, 20x, 20 into 1, 20, change the sign and add them. Okay, you got 0 got no? So the meaning is that x plus 1 and this quotient are factors. Okay, so now we will find out the factors of this quotient polynomial, x square plus 12x plus 20. So find out two numbers, their product is 20 and sum is 12. Which are they? 10 and 12. So 10 and 2. 10 and 2. 10 plus 2, how much coming? 12. 10 into 2, how much coming? 20 coming now? Yes. So middle term, so I splitted. You have to listen, the middle term splitting is very important point. Okay. Middle term splitting and knowing, then you can able to do factorization very well. So middle term I splitted 10 and 2. This we can able to split in many ways. 10 plus 10 also can write. But your 10 plus 10 writing, you will get it 12. So here 100 coming. So in such a way we have to verify. Product should be 20 and sum should be 12. Such a way select the numbers. 10 and 2. 10 plus 2, how much? 12. 10 into 2, how much coming? 20. So first two terms take, which is common, maximum common, take x common. And here what is the maximum common? 2. Okay. So then what is here? X plus 10 coming. Here also x plus 10 coming. So move that factor. So here x remaining and here plus 2 remaining. So you got the factors now. So first of all you found out x plus 1 is a factor. So which are the remaining factors you got now? X plus 10 and x plus 2. So all the three factors got now. So x plus 1, x plus 10 and x plus 2 are the three factors. Clear? Now teacher written here fourth sum is, here downside you see, fourth sum I have written as homework. Okay? But this exercise is over. So next we will start in the next video. Okay, bye.